VerbalizeIt is changing the way that businesses and individuals communicate across languages every day around the world. My name is Ryan Frankel, CEO and co-founder, and I'd like to share a story. Yours truly was traveling in China and thought he could eat anything on the menu. Bad idea. I woke up the next day sicker than sick. We're talking toilet seat makeout sick. I managed to drag my way to a pharmacy where I knew exactly what medication I needed, but I couldn't communicate with any pharmacist due to the language barrier. I felt helpless, a little scared, and I would have given anything to have had someone there who could communicate on my behalf. If I had VerbalizeIt with me in China, I would have loaded the mobile application, selected the language that I need translated, and VerbalizeIt finds me the best human translator.
VerbalizeIt, how can I help you?
Hi, I'm at a pharmacy in Beijing. Could you please tell the pharmacist I need a medication called Cipro?
Certainly. Is the phone on speaker?
Yes, it is. Please go ahead.
这一位先生非常病，他需要西普罗。
That was perfect. Thank you so much. And that is how VerbalizeIt is tearing down language barriers. VerbalizeIt is a crowdsourced community of human translators that are accessible through API and over the phone. Before VerbalizeIt, the only solutions to my needs were traditional physical call centers and on-site interpreters that cost as much as $10 a minute, priced well beyond the reach of most businesses and consumers, and machine translation technology, which I couldn't rely upon for speed or accuracy. Here's an example of machine translation gone wrong. Because our translation is powered by people, they get it right more often. They understand obscure dialects, and they can even translate the unspoken, such as emotion, local customs, and terminology. VerbalizeIt is disrupting the industry by providing the quality of human translation at a price that anyone can afford. How do we do this? We are crowdsourcing the market for translators to the 1 billion people around the world who speak a second language and who now can make money in their spare time by translating. These are stay-at-home parents, students, retirees, teachers, and even tour guides. And with 4 layers of quality control, we ensure that only the highest quality speakers join our community. We use our call routing algorithm to match customers in need with the best available translator to create the world's first universal translator powered by people. And we're giving our translators amazing tools to monetize their skills. There's no scheduling required. Simply log in, and at the touch of a button, mark yourself available. Translators earn cash rewards for referring friends, and now, translators grade other translator candidates. We're using the crowd to scale the crowd. In addition to providing live speech translation, our translators drive revenue by performing text-to-text, text-to-speech, and speech-to-text translation in both real-time and non-live scenarios. This is an unrivaled translator experience. In fact, our model has proven so beneficial that one of our 2,000 translators just made $550 over the last 2 days. And she said, quote, VerbalizeIt is changing her life. We are thrilled about what we're doing with our translator community, but what really excites us is how customers access our platform. I'm pleased to announce this morning that we've just launched our iPhone app, and thank you. And for those without a smartphone, we deliver a simple, local phone number that works from any phone. But what's really going to blow this out of the water is our developer API. By simply integrating one line of code, any developer working on any business application can have the power of our crowd at their fingertips. This makes our platform infinitely accessible. and it's exploding. We are thrilled to announce an integration with Skype, enabling Skype users to drag and drop a VerbalizeIt translator into any conversation. And since this relationship gives us access to more than 30 million users who spend 33 billion international minutes on Skype each year, we are giddy about the possibilities. I'm also pleased to announce that as of yesterday, VerbalizeIt is front and center in the Skype shop. And it's not just Skype. What if we told you you could add a VerbalizeIt translator into any conference call? Well, we've done just that. Our Twilio integration means that developers can code a phone number into their applications to reach a live translator. Here, the phone number is the API. Now businesses can create conference calls, and a VerbalizeIt translator is automatically invited. How cool is that? Our API ultimately expands our target market. We've just signed a deal with Qualview to provide outsourced translation, and we've partnered with TripLingo and Student Universe to empower travelers around the world with instant access to our translators. We're in conversations with companies like American Express, Chase Inc., Rosetta Stone, and Desk.com to facilitate global business dialogues. Today, $35 billion are already spent on outsourced translation. $35 billion. And that's just traditional translation resources of the past. We are creating a new category by providing the quality of human translation at a price that's affordable and accessible to everyone. With easy-to-understand subscription and per-minute pricing, we are taking the industry by storm. And the reason we've been able to move so fast is because of our team. We're experienced entrepreneurs, former investors, world travelers, and language gurus. Our team of 8 are monster executors with the passion and the vision to blow this out of the water. Since joining Techstars, we've closed amazing business development deals and launched powerful partnerships. We've expanded our translator base from 1,300 to 2,000 and added new languages to include Mandarin Chinese, Spanish, Hindi, French, and Portuguese, representing the hottest emerging markets and the most sought-after language pairs. We've launched our mobile application, built powerful API, and we have users on every single continent. Apparently, people in Antarctica need translation too. And that's just in the last 90 days. We are on the verge of explosive growth. We've got the translators and the infrastructure to make this happen. We've got powerful partnerships in place, and we've got the right team to pull this off. If you're as excited about this opportunity as we are, please find me at lunch, and we'll show you how with VerbalizeIt, nothing is ever lost in translation. Thank you.